We stayed at the beautiful Gibson Inn, established 1907. This historic hotel is located in the heart of Apalachicola. In this video, we show you all around the hotel, including the game room, our signature veranda room, the pool area. We do a bed test and give our final thoughts on why this is the place to stay. We can't wait to do a full tour of the Gibson Inn here behind us. It looks amazing. We already got checked in. Yep. We're room 212. This will be a full experience, full tour of the entire stay. First off, let's go in and show the room. Let's go check it out. The good news is they allowed us to check in early. Check-in is normally around 4. It's currently like 1 o'clock and we got checked in. And they said that we could upgrade our room to a veranda room for $17 more. So we went ahead and did that. And we're gonna do a full tour of the room first and then of the rest of the hotel next. Few things. Parking in Apalachicola is free everywhere you try to park. So you can park on the street. You can also pull either way on the street, but then they also have included parking right here across the street. And a couple things about it, you can rent these bicycles out in front for free. Golf carts are $100 per night. And this hotel is located right off of Market Street. And apparently our room has a great view of Market Street. Now, if you do want to get the bicycles, you just go to the front and they will give you helmets, which will then, you'll be allowed to take the bikes out for free. But here we have the Gibson Inn, established 1907. They've got the bar and cafe. What I love though is look at the doors, how crooked they are, just because of how old it is. We do a lot of these hotel stays, especially like the historic ones, and excited to try this. The whole landscaping, they're oyster shells. And if you watched, or you didn't watch rather, our review of the Station Raw Bar, we did do that here across the street. They've got outdoor seating, and here is their sign out front, the Gibson Inn. I love their logo. Since we already checked in, we saw the lobby, we'll show you that, and they've got like the wallpaper with this logo there. Here's a little bit about it. Look at these doors. I love how crooked they are. That's awesome. And right here, the Gibson Inn. That photo right there, taken in 1918. Might be a slight reflection, but they do have breakfast. They've got some like lunch, dinner options. And what was it? The happy hour was
4 to 6. Lunch is until 2 o'clock, and they close down for a minute to turn over the kitchen, and dinner is at 5. Starts at 5.
So we are on the second floor. So as we enter over here, we'll go up to the second floor, and our room's like, what did I say, 212? It's been placed on the National Register of Historic Places. I mean, look how they had to cut the door. And here's the lobby. I love the sofas. They've got this old clock. And here's the wallpaper we were talking about. Here's the hours of the cafe, 8 to 11, 11 to 2, and 5 to 9. And it's a nice bar. Look at the ceilings in here. That's cool. I don't know if we'll try this while we're here, but at least you know what it looks like. Look at this fan. And then going through this way, they've got restrooms. Bunch of old photos. Look at this boat. A lot of history in this spot. There's a pool. Now, this inn consists of the main building, and there's some other buildings that aren't connected to the main building that you can stay at. And they do have the billiards room open 11 to 9. Oh, this is so nice. Play some pool. I love the wallpaper in here. And also a full gator right there. It almost seems kind of like a hunting, like,
It's Wild Florida.
yeah, wild Florida. There you go. So you can play some pool. Old Florida, yeah. And like out through here are like the other buildings. Oh, there's a cat right there. Other buildings you can stay at. When you go online to the website, you can choose like which room and which area you want. Timber found this knocker for a door, like the front door. And they've just got a lot of little items throughout, as well as old school photos.
That's cool. Light.
Now I made sure there was no one in the restroom, but you can see what it looks like. That's a nice restroom. They've got some items you can buy, like a keychain, a hat, and then also, like we said, they've got the golf carts and bicycles. And through here, we have the cafe, more seating for the cafe, I guess. You got the bar side and then just the regular dining side. So that's nice. That Market Street is right outside the windows here. And then we got the nice staircase. And then at the top, here's where the different rooms are. We are 212, so we are going to be to the right. And look at the massive map on the wall. Now it is slightly dark up here. This goes up another story. 212 should be around the corner here. And again, we're going to have that view of the street. Oh, look, this is like all crooked. You see how crooked the walls are? There's a door right outside our room. And there's, go up the stairs there. I love their exit signs. Time for a room tour 212. They are like top-notch wallpaper people here. Like everywhere you go, there's nice wallpaper. And then, is this a mini fridge, I'm guessing? Oh, that's cool. Storage, possibly? Yep. And I believe this is the king bed room here. And something I like is you've got a little side table on both sides. Now you don't have outlets, I don't think, on both sides, do you?
There's switches for both of the lights.
Yep.
I'm assuming this side is your outlet side.
Probably, yeah. And then over here, a nice little sitting area with a TV. It also has Wi-Fi here. Now the waters cost.
So do the snacks.
The snacks do too, I guess it says.
Says on the little
Okay, yep.
sign above it.
And then chairs, the rug. We have the bathroom here. I like this. We'll zoom out here in just a second so you can see everything. It's got double shower heads in there. Zoomed out here. And zoomed out. Here's what the room looks like. Front door is that middle one there. You do have the air right over the bed, which is nice. And then we will also show the veranda. Now, we've got to try the bed out. So, oh, it is cushiony. You sink. So, it's not firm at all. You definitely sink way down. Which, if you like that, that's good for you. But it's definitely a squishy bed. Not a firm bed. Try a pillow. Pillows are soft too, so there you have it. There's the bed. Now this is an open veranda, so like it's shared, but we do have these amazing views of Market Street. And you can see over there to the left, those are those other buildings that are not connected to this building. Also, shout out to the lady that helped us at the front desk. Very nice, very helpful, and she encouraged us to get an upgraded veranda room, which I'm glad we did, because for $17 more, it was totally worth it. You get to see out here, which we've never been here before. We've never been to Apalachicola, so it lets you see a little bit of the downtown. Nice and cozy in here. And like I said, it's got Wi-Fi. We'll show you the pool here in a little bit. And just keep going around the hotel. We're going to go check out the pool, but you can see there is an ice machine through the exit. This is through the exit. And it looks like this is where the pool is at. Oh yeah, and the ice machine is right there. So something I don't know is if they've got like a fitness area, but they did say that their pool lights up at night, so maybe we'll come back out here and show it. That's a nice pool. And you can see the surrounding buildings are other rooms you can stay in. It's a saltwater pool and saltwater hot tub. Was that?
Yeah.
And it stays open until when, do you remember? 8. And it opens at 8 in the morning. That's pretty. Now, as far as pricing goes, it is a hotel, so it varies based on when you show up. So obviously, like, holidays are going to be more expensive. I want to say it was maybe $250-ish. I don't remember. We booked it a little bit back, but just know that prices do vary based on times of year. I like this little brick walkway. Again, the pool. Have no idea what this building is, so we're just going to see if it says what it is. And I'm guessing you can get some of these rooms over here, which are pool view rooms. My thought is this is probably just another building for rooms that you can stay in. I mean, it's like a big compound of buildings. They've got these alligator decorations that look like the alligator's actually in the water. Don't be fooled though, that is just oyster shells. I think that's super cool. Here are some of the pool rules. Is it heated? Not sure if it's heated or not. Now, the spa, obviously, is heated. And they have a little shower right here. You can shower off if you need to. Also some swings out here on this side. So with this building, our room was located right there on the second floor. And to the right here, this is where we started the video, that the bikes are out this side, and also the golf carts. So again, $100, you can take the golf carts out for the day, and the bikes are free. But they've got a nice front porch here. And these are the free Gibson bikes you can take around as long as you go in and they give you a helmet. That's pretty cool. Now, just like with any stay, we obviously go around and do some videos around the town. So we'll be doing some videos around Apalachicola. So we're actually going to pause on this video, and we might be back when it's starting to get dark outside, which we can show you the pool and all the lighting. So stay tuned. It is now evening time. It's around, I think, pretty close to 9 o'clock. We're going to show you around the Gibson Inn at nighttime. But I want to say, for the upgrade of $17, the veranda is totally worth it, because at nighttime you get to sit out here and enjoy the weather. Now, it is windy, so just know that. But it was definitely worth it to get the upgrade. Also, something you need to make note of when you're out here, just remember which one is your room, because when we first got here, I thought that was our room because they all look the same. So just make note of which room is actually yours. But you can see they've got lights on out here, and it's pretty quiet. This place kind of, it is like a Tuesday night, so it kind of shuts down around 6-ish / 7-ish. But let me show you this. With this being Franklin County, let me show you something. Across the street, right over there, Benjamin Franklin. We're going to show you a few more things tonight, but then we're going to end the video tonight just because we've got an early day tomorrow. Now, we live in Central Florida near Orlando, and we had to leave super duper early this morning. We ended up leaving about 5:45-ish, and it took us about 5.5 hours to get here. So since we drove early this morning, we were tired and actually ended up taking a little bit of a nap in there, so we got to try out the beds. So really, we're not going to finish the video in the morning. We're just going to finish it tonight. But right now it's just nice sitting on this veranda. I'm glad we got the upgrade. But we'll finish walking around here in just a second. So the pool doesn't have any lights on it right now. I know they said they have some cool lights, so maybe they turn it off at a certain time. And I know it closes at 8, but I don't know if you can see in here or not. Doesn't look like it's occupied, but this is like a suite right here. Interesting. It's got like 2 rooms. Which brings up a good point. They've got all sorts of rooms here. Suites, regular rooms, pool view rooms. But here's the pool at nighttime. Such a beautiful little town. I'm glad we got to visit. So yeah, it is a suite. They've got a little sitting room right here, and then it goes on around to the bedroom. And these rockers, I love the rocking chairs. And just make a side note that when you do sleep in here, that air is directly above you. So if you like sleeping with cold air blowing, there it is right there. But that was our stay here at the Gibson Inn in Apalachicola. Mm-hmm. I loved it.
Yeah, I love finding places like this.
Mm-hmm. Now, with any place, there are pros and a few cons. Mm-hmm. So obviously the big pro here is it's clean, it's in the middle of town, mm-hmm. It's beautiful, mm-hmm. It's historic, and you get a lot that you can do, like the golf cart and the free bikes.
Yeah, and a nice pool, like the amenities were nice. I think, though, you have to know going into it, it was built in 1907. Yep. It's by the water. Yep. So soundproofing wasn't really a thing.
Yeah, I'd say the 2 biggest cons, soundproofing, you can hear pretty much everything, like doors shut, birds outside. Yeah. And that's not really much they can do, you know, when you build something in 1907. And then the other one,
it still feels old.
Yes. There's some older smells to it, if you will. But that's also, again, 1907 building. Right. You know, you kind of get that. But 2 cons, and that's it.
Yeah, no, I would stay here again. I think the price was reasonable. Yeah,
and I think the only thing that we not necessarily get upset at, but when we stay at places is it's never long enough. Mm-hmm. You know, if you had one more day, you could do a little bit more. Mm-hmm. But enjoyed it. The staff has been very friendly. I will say the bed, as mentioned earlier, we took a little bit of a nap, but the bed is like a soft bed.
It is. Mm-hmm.
And the showers have the dual shower heads, which is pretty cool. And you do have Wi-Fi and TV. Yeah. So not a bad stay at all. And a fridge, yeah. So anyway, if you're ever in the area or you're wanting to make a road trip and try out the Gibson Inn, would highly recommend it.
I would. Yeah.
We got to get to bed though. Got an early morning. With that being said, that does it for this stay. Thanks for watching.